Hey hoes, we're gonna do some fucking cooking with Marii. We're making macaroni. What you're gonna need? A green bowl. Why a green bowl? Because it's the same goddamn green bowl I always use. Next, I'm gonna take this out of the macaroni box. The cup thingy. Okay? You're gonna turn this on. Okay, it didn't flash this time. And then you're gonna fill it up and pour it in the bowl 6 times. 3 or 4, 5, I don't know.
Okay, it looks sort of full.
It looks sort of full. Take this, put it in the microwave for like 3 minutes or something, depending on how you feel. Butter and milk. Yes. You're gonna need 1/4 cup of milk. It says on the box here. So do that. Your dress is falling. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Next, we're gonna want to put the macaroni
in the microwave. So how we do that is we open the microwave and bring the bowl towards you. And click start like 6 times.
Perfecto.
Next, we're gonna need a strainer.
It's over here. The yellow one.
I did that. Okay.
Perfecto.
Oh, we need a fork. We're gonna use a Buffalo Wild Wings fork because we're like that. Anyways. Good idea. There you go. Ooh. Ooh, bitch. Ooh. Oh shit. Ooh.
Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Let it go. Let it go. Slam the fucking door. Let it go. Bitch, I think I'm tired. What the fuck time is it? It's 7:30 p.m. and I haven't done shit all day. Literally laid in my bed. I probably watched like 12 movies, like today and yesterday. Is it even possible? I don't know. I woke up at like 9. Last night went to bed at like 12:45. I'm just telling you this like you care, and then you click on this video to watch me make macaroni. But technically you are, but.
I'm like sort of sweating, but like I don't want to take my beautiful cape off because bitch, look at me. Oh shit. Because bitch, look at me. I'm just. Don't tell nobody you saw me capeless because they gonna get jealous. Alright? Alright, cool. Anyways.
I'm dancing some music that's upstairs. You probably can't hear, I'm sorry. I'm sure macaroni's almost done. Open this. Shake it. I don't know why I shake it. I don't know who told me to shake it, but I shake it.
You guys want to get high? Recommend. I'm just kidding. No, but look at this. Ew. Okay. Don't get high off of that. I don't even think you can. You probably can. Yeah, now you can throw this bitch away. Oh, it says right here it's supposed to be 7 minutes and 30. It says 7 to 8 minutes. Never read that part.
Want to boil it if you're looking to boil it.
I don't even fucking know. I think you just boil it until it comes to a boil.
Oh my god, I had a message. I missed what it said. Anyways.
Come through to the west side. Shut up! I can't. Hola.
Andamos comprando jitomate.
Qué bueno.
Una cajota así.
Oh, sí, qué bueno.
What are you doing? Where? Okay. I don't know. I want what? Yeah? Wait, you guys are both going? Oh, you.
I don't know if we're actually going to do it or not. I was trying to ask you what you do, and when you said yeah, I said.
I'm never gonna make you pizza again. Okay, bye. Have fun on your guys' date.
Well, duh. We're about to
Where are we going?
What?
Sex.
Shut
Where are
up.
we going?
Where are you guys going?
I don't know.
Alright, bye. Have fun. Be careful. Don't do anything stupid. Don't do drugs. Gotta love my kids. No, I'm just kidding. They're not actually gay. I don't think. My macaroni's done. Probably isn't. Nope. Laurie's typing. I hope Lotus sees this. I love her. This is my cousin. Okay, I got this fat ass double chin. That's just. I'm gonna shut the weed.
Anyways, the macaroni says it's done again. It's probably not. His hoe ass always lies. Like, let me see, bitch. Nope. Bye.
Y'all know I'm allergic to latex.
We can make some. 1, 2, 3.
I'll reply to your message in a minute. She's cute.
14 goddamn minutes to make freaking macaroni. Okay, I don't care if it's done or not. We're gonna put it in for 30 more seconds and I'm gonna call it done and take it out.
I don't have time, okay? I don't have time. I was supposed to work today. Okay, I pierced my cartilage. I'm supposed to post a video on that. I'm pretty sure I recorded it all. Pierced it myself. I look great with it. Yeah, so that happened. We're fine. We're cooling it. Okay, and you gotta dump.
Ooh, okay.
Take your fork, and you gotta mix it so that all of the water goes out from like the bottom. These definitely could have been cooked longer. Okay, put them back in the bowl. Try not to get so much water. Put the butter in like at ASAP because you want it to melt because in the pan, usually just put it at the bottom of the pan and it starts melting. And this you won't. Next, pour your cocaine. Next, open your milk. Make sure it's not expired. Need to double check. I forgot what date it is. Okay, so one of the movies I watched. Oh, I watched Boy Bye. That shit's funny as hell. Other than that, I watched a bunch of movies, and they were all like mostly romantic. I didn't like that part. Anyways, get a bowl, put it in, go take it upstairs, go lay down, go watch Netflix by yourself, and have a fucking great day. I love you.